Hello Groupsters! It's been a while, but today I'm gonna be doing a little Procreate tutorial for you guys. I want to show you guys how I do the paper effect on Procreate. I'm gonna show it on the screen now. So here are some examples. I just learned this technique maybe a month ago and I'm obsessed with it. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm opening my browser and I typed in Procreate texture background. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to actually link this in my bio as well. But it's the first one where it says 20 free paper. I'm going to click on that. Alright, and it's going to bring me a bunch of textures that you can use, for free. Like, it's awesome. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my favorite one. Oh, this one. This is it. The recycled paper. I love using that one. So I scroll down to the bottom and they have the link right here for the drive. So I'm going to click on that. And here is where you can download them all to your camera roll. Alright, so go ahead and double click on that and then click save and it'll save to your camera roll. Another option is you can go ahead and screenshot it if that is easier for you. Alright, so this is the photo I'm going to use and I'm just going to go ahead and go over to insert a photo. So the photo of the recycled paper is inserted, so I'm going to go ahead and expand it to make sure it fills the whole photo. So now your canvas should look something like this with the whole entire canvas filled with whatever texture you're using. So we're gonna go ahead and click on layers and click on this N and scroll all the way up till multiply and watch the magic happen. Look at that. And this is it. And we're actually gonna go ahead and do one more just to show you guys another example of what we can do with it. So I'm gonna get out of here and go on Safari. So now I'm typing in Procreate lined paper background. I'm gonna click on that. And it should be the first one where it says perfect lined paper background download. Or I can link it in my bio so you guys don't have to type it in. I'm gonna click on that. And it should take you to a page that looks like this. So I'm gonna scroll down and this is the photo that I'm gonna use. What's great about this is that there are plenty of options. They even have a black one, which is really cool. So it's whatever you want to choose, you know? Just for this one, I'm going to use this one because this is my favorite one right here. So now I can hold this down and click add to photos. Or if you want, you can screenshot it. So this is the drawing that I'm going to be using for the composition lined paper effect. So again, we're going to hit insert photo. Alrighty, once you have the photo on there, you're gonna fill the whole page again, like we did before. And I'm just gonna make sure it's positioned to where I want it to be. Now that it's overlaid on the screen, you're gonna go ahead and go to your layers, click on the N again, and then go all the way up to multiply, and then boom, there you go. So this is the final piece. I've just been so obsessed with these paper textures on Procreate because they really spice up your paintings. I mean, look at that. That's awesome. All right, that is pretty much it. I think I covered everything, I hope. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and, you know, I can't wait to see like what kind of art you guys make with this. Tag Groovy Art by Haley if you want so I can check out your work. Yeah. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. If you don't, it's cool. I'll try my best to film more YouTube videos. It's just hard because they take so long to edit. So I'm trying my best. So let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see in the future. So yeah. All right, Groovsters, have a great, fabulous rest of your day. Peace.